Gates open, they're up and racing for the 2011 Pilracom Grand Derby. Charming Santi moving up on the outside is entry number 7, and that's Arvin Dugo. Then running in between runners, Chip, Josan Barkley, Immaculate Sulong Pinoy, and the Rack. Passing by the judge stand for the first time, we have 3 runners are fighting it out for the lead. Running by the rail, Charming Santi, Chip Josan in between runners, Arvin Dugo is on the outside. Then by about 6 lengths, racing in fourth is Barkley. Running by the rail, Sulong Pinoy, Immaculate, and the Rack is still bringing up the rear. As they rounded a 3/4 mouth pole, still 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Chip Josan running in between runners, Charming Santi moving up on the outside, Arvin Dugo. Then racing in fourth still is Barkley, Immaculate, Sulong Pinoy second last, and the Rack is still running at the tail of the field by about 10 to 12 lengths from back to front. Back to the leader as they race at a half-mile pole with Arvin Dugo running on the outside, Chip Josan by the rail. Charming Santi now racing in third, down in fourth, Barkley and Sulong Pinoy. As the action reached the last 600, it's still 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. Arvin Dugo, Chip Josan is by the rail. Then getting closer now in third is Barkley. As the action of the Grand Derby getting more exciting as they turn for home with Arvin Dugo, Barkley running in between runners by the rail, Chip Josan. Sulong Pinoy is on the outside with 150 to go. Barkley with Kelvin Abobo by about 3 lengths. Running on the outside second, Arvin Dugo, Chip Josan with 75 meters of the race. The horse of Mayor Ben Harabalos, this one Barkley. Second, Arvin Dugo, Chip Josan, Sulong Pinoy, the Rack, Immaculate, and Charming Santi.